Cardis provides solutions for processing of low-value payments with game-changing cost reduction across the transaction processing value chain. And as such, it uniquely allows all participants in the payments value chain to benefit. Why is that significant? If you look at the low-value payments, they represent the single largest global growth opportunity for electronic payments. The challenge in using the existing card networks to process those low-value payment transactions lies in their architecture that comes from the 70s, when they were designed to process larger value credit card transactions, where the average transaction was about $100. So every single transaction basically has to go end-to-end through the network with respect to authorization and clearing processing. And this results in direct variable cost per transaction that is insignificant when you look at it at 50 euro debit card transaction level or 100 euro credit card transaction level. But when you get this at this level of everyday small purchases that are typically below 20 euro, then that direct variable cost per transaction, which is independent of the transaction amount, becomes significant as a percentage of the purchase amount. So this effectively creates a zero-sum game. There is a real cost to be covered, and then either if payment service providers cover their cost and make some profit, then that results in the retailers' fees that are too high for low-value payments. Or if the retailers are happy, then there is a loss on the side of the payment service providers, issuers or acquirers. The Cardis technology allows several consumer payments made at different retailers to be handled with only one aggregate transaction processed through the payment network. And by spreading the cost of this single aggregate transaction across the series of low-value payments, the overall cost is dramatically reduced, allowing all participants in the payments value chain to benefit. The technology is provided either as a software plug-in solution that allows the existing payment products and infrastructures to be extended into low-value payments, or as a standalone mobile wallet that can be deployed independent of the existing card payment networks. If you look at the latest market developments in the area of mobile and wallets, combined with mobile marketing programs, we see that in both traditional and emerging models, the volumes and transaction data are driven by everyday purchases. And our further innovation that provides flexibility with respect to the point of sale and kind of consumer device interfaces by supporting NFC as well as other interfaces like QR code. And also by supporting physical secure element, but also virtual secure elements in the cloud, which are important for mobile wallets. We are really well positioned to take the advantage of numerous initiatives that are actually developing, especially in the United States. Another market development is related to mobile POS. So mobile POS is really a great innovation and solution that is unlocking this big market of small merchants by removing the barrier, which is the cost to entry, to onboard them. When you add Cardis on that, then we remove the second part of that barrier, which is ongoing transaction processing cost. The cloud-based approach is viewed, and we share that view to the large extent, as really the next step, because it allows for convergence of different channels.